glass breaks, who is legally responsible? The officer holding the baton or the driver holding the script? July 17th, Ocoee, Florida. Officer Vicente initiates a routine stop for a missing tag, but he isn't dealing with a normal driver. He is dealing with an ideology.
How are you?
Hi there. Good. How are you?
Good. Officer was sent to the Ocoee Police Department. Pulled you over because you don't have a tag on your car. You need a tag on your car. Is there a reason why you don't have a tag on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because I am part of the American State Republic.
Here begins the script. The driver cites the right to travel. She claims she is exempt from registration because she is not operating in commerce. This is a pseudo-legal theory. It is derived from a misinterpretation of old maritime law. In reality, Florida Statute 320.02 mandates registration for any motor vehicle on public roads, regardless of commercial status. There is no exemption. There is no loophole.
And you know that we do not have to have tags and registration anymore.
Okay.
You know that.
Okay. You have a license?
Yes, I do. But I don't know how much longer it's active because I already have my other card that you can look up all of my records on. It's set up for you guys to look at everything.
Okay. Can I get a 44 for a Southern citizen?
And I just want you to know I'm traveling in my private vehicle. I am not operating in commerce.
Okay.
And that's why I do not need a tag or registration. I don't even have to have a driver's license. But I just got that, so I haven't had a chance to address my other identification. But this is the new identification. It covers passport, driver's license, all of that. And it has all the documents in there for you to look at.
Okay. Okay. So I'm at least going to need to look at your VIN on your card?
No, you don't have to look at anything. This is my private vehicle.
Okay. Just give me a few minutes, but I'm letting you know you're not free to leave at this time, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Just letting you know, make sure you know you're not free to leave. That's it. Thank you. What she gave me, she's not a citizen of the United States. She's an American state citizen. But this is the United States. Usually give me any kind of driver's license. I said, whatever, registration. I said, I at least need to check the VIN. She goes, no, I don't.
Okay. I say we get her out. I say we get her out. Go ahead and step out.
I'm not getting out of my car.
Ma'am, step out of the car.
No. I'm not you. For what reason?
Because Pennsylvania v. Mims says I can order you out of the vehicle.
Notice Officer Vicente's stance. He stops debating. He realizes logic won't work on a scripted loop. He shifts from asking to ordering. This is the checkmate. The 1977 Supreme Court ruling, Pennsylvania versus Mims, established a foundational principle. Officer safety outweighs driver inconvenience. An officer needs no probable cause to order a driver out of a vehicle. Once she refuses this order, she is no longer debating. She is committing a crime. Obstruction.
They're saying that Pennsylvania v. Mims is ordering me out of the car.
Ma'am, I need you to step out of the car.
Why? I have not committed any crimes.
Step out of the vehicle. Right now, you are committing a crime. You're resisting.
He's saying that me not getting out of my car, he's saying that I'm being resisting. Can you give me just a minute to make a phone call?
No, you need to step out.
I haven't committed a crime.
You need to step out right now.
You're
resisting.
I'm in Ocoee, and I am at the Public on Claricona, Ocoee.
Hey, sorry, just signal 14. I'm about to bust her window out and pepper blaster. Yeah, it's up against a curb. Like she's in the parking stall. She's up against a curb in a large median area.
Can you please ask your supervisor to come here?
Get out of the car, ma'am.
Please
This
ask
is the
your
last time I ask you. I'm about to make you.
Why are you making me get out of my car?
Get out of the car!
What?
Get out of the...
Why break the window? Why not wait? Tactically, a stationary vehicle with a non-compliant subject is known as a deadly box. She could be reaching for a weapon concealed between the seats. The officer chooses hard, empty hand control, breaching the window to neutralize the threat immediately. It appears violent to the untrained eye, but it is a calculated decision to prevent a lethal escalation. The window is collateral damage in a safety protocol.
car right now!
I haven't done anything!
Get out of the car! Get out of the car or you're gonna get tased.
But why?
I know, I'm gonna see if she gets out.
I didn't do anything!
Listen to the panic.
What are you
Minutes
doing?
ago, she was arrogant,
What are you doing?
convinced her magic words would protect her.
What
Now,
Stop resisting. I'm not
she claims she
resisting.
didn't do anything. This is cognitive dissonance, the psychological crash when a fantasy world collides with physical reality. She genuinely cannot process that her inaction was a criminal action. Her locus of control is external. She believes this is happening to her, not because of her.
Stop moving. So right now, your handcuffs are not double locked, which means they're going to get tighter if you keep moving. Okay? I'm trying to lock them. You've already started
But
moving.
I
Please
want you
don't.
to tell me what crime I committed.
Right now, it's resisting.
I
Okay.
haven't resisted.
Yes, ma'am. I asked you for your
I haven't
license.
committed a
I asked you
crime.
for your license. I asked you for.
I gave you my identification. That's
It's not
what
a
you
driver's
asked.
license.
Oh, I
asked
can
for
give
your
you
driver's
my. I
license.
have not broke any
Okay.
laws. I haven't broke any crimes.
Here's
sir.
the facts. You thought that you were going to be able to do whatever you wanted to do, and that we weren't going to yank you out of your car. Actually,
No, I didn't think that at all.
They got you out of the car pretty nice compared to maybe how I would have handled it. Because I probably would have put an axe pick through that thing, shoveled out the entire glass, and dragged you out that window. If you are told to exit the vehicle, you exit the vehicle.
He was scaring me. I didn't know who he was or what he was doing.
First of all, it got to the point you weren't listening to the initial officer, who
I
by the
gave
way,
her my ID
who by
like
the
she
way
asked. She
is a
never
very
did-
nice officer.
All right, just so you know, we did an inventory. Okay, are you going to listen? Took an inventory of the property that's going to be going with you to the jail. Okay, so there's cards inside your wallet. It's a black wallet. $164 inside your wallet in coins, and an iPhone with a green case that says "Good luck" on it. Okay, so this is a property that's going to be going with you to the jail. Okay, everything else will be inside your car.
Yeah.
Good. We're not going anywhere.
Can I?
Yeah, no. Put your film on it, or finger, or whatever.
I don't know if it's okay. Hang on.
Sorry. Press.
No, it's my hands are sweaty. I have a code. I don't know if this works.
There we go.
So can I call someone?
You're calling your daughter and your daughter only. You're not calling anybody else. Who are you calling?
I'll call my daughter.
Okay.
But I was gonna tell Pearl to call my daughter because she just called me, so I know I can get in touch with her.
Why don't you try calling your daughter? Because you're not calling anybody else other than your daughter.
Okay,
Because I don't have to do this.
I understand.
So if it's anything other than calling your daughter for your dogs, we're hanging up immediately because I'm doing you a solid. I'm doing you a favor and being nice.
Okay, so you don't want me to tell her that I'm here?
I don't care what you tell her, but I'm
Okay.
just saying if it's something else other than go take care of the dogs, we're hanging up, we're done.
Okay,
Because I'm doing you a favor.
okay.
So who are you calling?
Kristen. And if she can't do it, I have to call Pearl.
Call Pearl?
Yeah.
It's really low. Doesn't really turn up very low.
It's an old phone. Okay, can I call Lulu? Lulu can call Pearl.
She's the last one. If there's nothing, there's nothing. Okay?
It's on there.
I know. But that's the last person we're calling.
Okay. Hey, listen, you're just gonna have to call Pearl. My dogs are still in my house and I can't reach my daughter. I'm gonna try later, but call Pearl. She knows exactly what to do. And I'm in the... Call her. She just called me. Call Pearl and tell her. And tell Pearl knows exactly what to do. Tell her to come do it. And she's gonna have to try to get in touch with my daughter. My dogs are locked in my house and my daughter's not answering her phone. But just call Pearl, tell her, and she knows what to do.
Okay, because I did call her.
I know, so I'm here with the officer right now and she was kind enough to let me make a call. So I'm calling you to tell you to call Pearl back and tell her to do exactly what she knows what to do.
Okay, can you give me your...
Watch the officer's reaction. Officers are trained to listen for coded language. When she mentions copper curl and speaks in cryptic phrases, his threat assessment spikes. Is she ordering someone to destroy evidence? Is she signaling an accomplice? The officer legally terminates the call to prevent obstruction of justice. The courtesy ends. The moment legality becomes questionable.
We're done.
Can
I
didn't
we're
get her
done.
my...
No, we're done. Because I have a feeling it's not about your dog. Okay. Nope, I have a strong feeling it's not.
Look at my phone, the pictures are right there.
The outcome: charges for resisting without violence, obstruction, and operating an unregistered vehicle. And in the state of Florida, if your resistance forces police to damage property, you are liable for the repairs. The cost of that window will be added to her court fees. Protocol followed. Panic ensued.
I'm not doing anything. You can do it all when you're inside.
Please don't let the dogs out. That's all I will put. Please don't let the dogs out. It's an emergency.
You've already told her what to do.
But Pearl doesn't have my daughter's phone number.